Hello guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Damnola Moshika. If you're new here, I'm super excited and happy to have you here. So I started this series talking about why you're not signing on new clients and why you're not having retainer clients. And my first point was poor communication, which I would continue on in this video, starting with the next point that I want to talk about. So if you know that you are enjoying the series, please click the like button and then subscribe so that you're the first to know when I upload a new video. Also share with someone that you think needs to learn these tips that we are talking about in this series. Now in today's video, the points that I would like to talk about is your client experience. Is it messy? Is it great? How is your client experience? And some people don't even know that there's a thing like having client experience. Say, for example, you go to a supermarket and you find it very difficult looking for the items that you want to purchase from that supermarket. Maybe because there's no signage that says this is where you can find this. I mean, just think right now as I'm speaking, when you go to any supermarket, you probably will see signages or instructions that say toiletries here, groceries or food items here, and the likes, right? Or home items, homewares in this particular section or in this particular aisle. It just makes it very seamless for you to go to the exact location of the item that you are looking for, and then you can easily pick it up and then go to the counter and pay. That is a good, they've just actually sold a good customer experience to you. And as a freelancer is what you are looking to give your clients as well. As someone who is building a business that wants to outlive herself, you want to have a proper structure, and your client experience is very, very important. If your client wants to do business with you, say for example, you're a graphic designer or you're a virtual assistant, and they're just confused as to what your processes are. Okay, what are we supposed to do next? As we are starting this new project or this new contract, there's no clear communication. I'll come to that because I said I'm going to continue about communication in this video. Your clients will just leave. I mean, they will just leave. If your system, your structure, and the experience that you give them is messy, they're just going to leave you. You want to, from your discovery call to how you onboard them to how you receive them. Do you know that there's something like a welcome email? To how you receive them, to how you then communicate with them. Even as clients ghost, you know that you can also give them awkward silence, that they are wondering, okay, at this point in this project I should be getting feedback from this person and I'm not getting any feedback from them. It makes them feel uncomfortable. So you want to have a proper structure and system that gives your clients a good experience, a good client experience. When you first talk to your clients, how do you talk to them? That's the communication that we talk about. How do you interact with them? How do you portray yourself, especially on the discovery call? Then when they eventually say, okay, they have decided to start working with you, what do you do next? Do you just tell them that, okay, I'll just send you a I don't even know how messy people do it. Do you send them a contract to sign? Do you let them know your working hours so that they are probably not reaching out to you when you are not available? Do you let them know your work? Do you let them, know what email to reach you on, what contacts to reach you on, what time of day they can reach you on? Are you responding? Even if it's not immediately, do they know your response time? Oh, my response time is within the next so and so hours of when you have. It just helps them to understand you better so that you have a good working experience and relationship with your clients after they sign your contract. I talked about a welcome email earlier. Do you send them, do you make them feel welcomed and relaxed that they are working with you? It depends on you. I mean, every freelancer is different, but the secrets to those who keep clients long term are people who actually know how to relate with their clients and actually give them an excellent client experience. I've had clients that I've worked with for years and years, and it's not because I'm the great at my skills. There are other brand designers and website designers that are more skilled than I am, but it's me being authentic, me just showing up, this is who I am, and just making my clients feel like $1,000,000 because they actually are. If I don't serve them, if I don't work with them, then I wouldn't be earning what I would, I that is on my goal to earn. So think about all these things, and then bringing back communication as you are working with clients on the project. You have timelines where you check in with your clients, when you let them know what is going on at this stage, at different stages. I don't know how you structure your own business, but at different stages, you want to have how you communicate with your clients. There are a lot of things that go into creating a structure that helps you give your clients that perfect experience for you. It's different for everyone, but I've created a freelance toolkit that helps you from start to finish. So from discovery call to welcome emails to contracts to invoicing to onboarding to offboarding, there's a whole lot. You'll find it. I'll leave the link in the description so that if you need it, and if this is just sounding like, oh, there's a lot going on here that I don't even know about, then maybe that toolkit is for you. I'll leave the link in the description so that you can go and just download it, go through it, and you can use it to structure your own freelancing business as well. I hope that this video was helpful. These are short tips in this series that I'm doing that will help you just understand, this might be the reason why that client actually ghosted me. Help you understand some of the reasons and some of the mistakes that we might be making as freelancers that are not allowing clients to work with us long term and are not even allowing us to sign on new clients. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to leave the like button. It helps me to do more of these videos, and then please share it. Don't be stingy. Share it with somebody that you know, that babe is actually struggling in her business and she needs to hear this right now. Please share, and then please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so that when I come back again with another tip, you'll be the first to know. Bye.